Well, first of all, thank you. Thanks for today and for the training. And following up on Neil's comment, this is a great reference for us, in particular when we do awareness training, when we give a lot of free advice to companies, one-to-ones, consultancies, and this is absolutely crucial to relay the message of this is absolutely what you need to do, in particular in the SME market when they don't have the resources or budget. And we can use that knowledge in our training material.